Hello everyone, today I am in the potato field and I am here to show you that how a villager plug out the potatoes from the field with traditional method. So wait and watch the video to know about this. Thank you. So if you see the location that there is another field and this is my field, our field, doing the work, and this is the potato which I getting from these type of boundaries or the way potato grows. So I'll show you that how we do this. You can see. For knowing how to plug, we use this tool. Our name is Kudal, and we force by this tool and the boundaries to plug out the potatoes. First we plug out and select potatoes and stay there or left there in the back of ourselves. Now we should repeat this process again and again until we plugged all potatoes from the column. Completed this row, and like this we have that much row, and that much row combines make a big row, and we have like that much a big row. So now it's time to continue our work to complete my target. So let's see, am I complete my target or not. So carry on to watching the video. I came here at 12 p.m. and now it's 1 a.m. and you see that I approximately 10 to 12 like rows and put the potatoes in that bag and that. This one and this one. And now here I continue to continue to plug with this. You see this? I like this one so much. That's just awesome. So now let's continue. After 4 hours, you can see plug that much potatoes, and only 6 to 8 rows are left. And you see the sun almost goes. Oh, and you see also that how much the biggest potatoes are. Oh, my hand are full. Like this 2 potatoes and my hand is full. That's great. And this is very good. Because of continuous 4-hour work, my back is so much paining, so I stretch, relax, and we continue for this end. I done this whole column, but my back is very much paining because I do this work with tilted position and my back is so much pain. And the evening is almost done, almost happened, and now it's time to carry these potatoes to home. My target is incompleted because I target that much. Means that column also I do, but I cannot. So my target isn't done. But yes, my half target is done, almost more than half. Now I will do it tomorrow. So let's go this to carry the home, and tell me in the comment that how you like the video about my journey, about my day, about my working day. Now it's not over because there are several columns also, like 9 to 10 I think. So more pain is waiting for me. Thanks, bye, and like, subscribe.